Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Purina Tidy Cat's Litter Box. Purina Tidy Cat's Breeze Litter Box system includes a cat litter box with scoop, 1 pack of 4 cat pads and 1 bag of 3.5 pounds. Litter pellets, giving your cat 1 month of refills. Disposable kitty litter pads lock in moisture so the box remains dry and are designed to last for 7 days for 1 cat. Anti-tracking cat litter pellets for Breeze Cat Litter Box system are 99.9% dust-free and cut down on tracking around the box. Neat floors. Neat feet. Guaranteed. Solid stay on top for fast removal, and urine is locked away in the super absorbent kitty litter pads below, so there are no urine clumps to scoop. Absorb. Toss. Purina Tidy Cat's Breeze Cat Litter Box System Starter Kit only needs 1 urine pad and is compatible with any Breeze pads. Love this system or get your money back. Cats may bring out the litter when jumping out of the top entry. You could sweep the cat litter into the hole on the lid by the 2-in-1 litter brush, which is allowed to be disassembled and used as a small dustpan and broom. Our second best cat litter box is Petmate Booda Dome Litter Box. This cat litter box with dome lid encloses cats on all sides, ensuring privacy while keeping floors litter free. The raised entrance prevents litter scatter as pets step in and out. With the enclosed design and featuring a charcoal litter box filter that absorbs odors, the cat litter dome can be placed in any room of the home. Swiftly clean up after your dog or cat while at home or on walks with a variety of waste management products, from waste bags, rakes, pans, training pads to poop scoopers, litter boxes. We've got you your pet covered. Petmate makes a variety of pet products for dogs, cats, chickens and other small furry friends. Check out our brands such as Aspen Pet, Arm Hammer, Booda, Chuck It, Jackson Galaxy more. The cat door's opening direction can be controlled through the embedding direction of the buckle. It's set to open inwards, so that the cat enters from the transparent door and then jump out from the top opening. Pull out the bottom pan to observe the condition of cat litter, then clean up conveniently without having to take the top lid off. The smooth box sidewall is not easily stained with litter neither. Third in our list is Reese USA Cat Litter Box. The Iris Cat Litter Box with shield and scoop has extra tall walls on 3 sides to help contain litter and spray while keeping dirt out. Open top cat litter container provides quick and easy access, while the deep litter pan design gives your cat a semi-private space. The high polished interior surfaces and included cat litter scoop make the litter box easy to clean. Recessed bottoms and molded in feet keep the Iris Cat Litter Box in place, and the molded in rims around the pan add strength and stability to the litter box tray. The cat litter container comes with a matching litter scoop for easy cleaning, and the scoop is designed to fit anywhere in the litter pan. Open top Iris Cat Litter Box is designed to offer cats plenty of room and quick accessibility. Side and back of the litter container are high enough to keep litter from scattering on the floor. This litter box features a vented system with filters to help eliminate any unwanted odor from your cats. The enclosed litter box design will help keep litter, dust, and dander inside of the litter box for easy cleaning. Keep your home clean and tidy with our practical and easy to clean hidden litter box. The removable planter top allows for easy access to the litter box, making removal a breeze. And when it's time for a wash, simply clean with soap and water, then towel dry for a fresh and hygienic litter box. Number 4 in our best cat litter box list is Petmate Large Sifting Litter Box. Lift to sift, no scooping required, easy to clean. Large cat litter box comes with 1 sifting box and 2 regular boxes. When cleaning, the patented sifting technology lets cat litter pass through easily, leaving clumps behind. No cat litter scoop needed. Built-in microban protection inhibits litter box smells. It is recommended your cat litter box be 1.5 times longer than your cat. Replace your cat litter box every 12 months to maintain freshness. Arm & Hammer is not just a friend of furry family members, but the environment too. We produce eco-friendly, sustainable pet supplies for cats and dogs, from kennels to high-sided litter boxes to cat litter scoops. Great for pine litter, crystal cat litter, pellets for cat litter box and clumping cat litter. We suggest Arm & Hammer Slide. Litter maintenance boxes like this are an affordable alternative to pee pads. The makers of Diaper Genie present the Litter Genie Plus pail to keep litter box odor in check. The pail holds up to 14 days of soiled litter per one cat, eliminating daily trips to the trash. The Plus pail features a built-in antimicrobial to inhibit bacteria growth, while the included refill bag features a multi-layer film to seal in odor and lasts 2 weeks longer than the standard pail refill. Our last pick is Van Ness Cat Litter Box. Van Ness Pet's open-top litter boxes are proudly made in the USA and built to last. Our litter pans feature a smooth, high-polish finish that is resistant to stains/odors and easier to clean. The framed litter box, CP4, features higher sides to reduce litter scatter and/or urine spray outside of the pan. If using litter box liners, the frame securely holds litter liners in place. High sides reduce litter scatter and/or urine spray outside of the box. Got this box for a foster cat who is a long and tall boy with a broken leg. After initial healing, he was able to take it in and out of it no problem, and it contains his ridiculous amount of digging. The pail's compact design is great for the bathroom, under the kitchen sink, and home office spaces. The pail minimizes your trips to the trash. The litter box offers an easy way to accommodate your cat's bathroom needs and gives great convenience to you when you are traveling with your cats. Easy to carry it anywhere and use it anywhere. Leak-proof and keeps the smell contained. Closed with a zipper closure at the top that stops litter from spilling out and odors from escaping. Portable and lightweight, easily zipped it up to carry into the hotel with the litter inside. A handy handle included and weighs only 1.7 pounds, more lightweight than a heavy hard litter box.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!